this video, I am going to show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your smart TV easily and quickly. Start by turning on your smart TV and navigating to the App Store specific to your TV's operating system, such as the Samsung Smart Hub or LG Content Store. In the App Store, use the search function to type in IPTV Smarters Pro and select it from the search results. Once you're on the app's page, click on the Install or Download button to begin the installation process. After the app is installed, you can open it directly from the App Store or find it in your Apps section. When you launch IPTV Smarters Pro for the first time, you will need to enter your IPTV provider's credentials, including the username, password, and server URL. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup and start enjoying your IPTV content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.